Hey guys, Tamno here. In this video, I'll be reviewing CeraVe Hydrating Toner for normal to dry skin. This was such a difficult toner to get my hands on, mainly because of where I'm located at. I can only get this off Amazon. Every time I tried, it was out of stock. I know if you're in the US, you can definitely get this from like Target, Ulta, but for me, Amazon was my only option. This toner launched last year alongside their cleansing balm and their eye makeup remover. I was only able to get my hands on the cleansing balm, which I reviewed and you guys requested for the toner. So here is the video. Finally, this toner is set to hydrate and smoothen the skin while removing any makeup and impurities. I don't have any makeup on. My face is just freshly washed. It claims to be lightweight, alcohol-free, fragrance-free, oil-free, and non-comedogenic, and it's recommended to those who have normal to dry skin as well as sensitive skin. Like I said, I just washed my face and I went in with my favorite cleanser from CeraVe, this one. If you're in the US and you want to get your hands on it, do tap the links in the description box. So this is what the toner looks like. So how to use this toner? The brand or any brand recommends that you should use a cotton round for, applications. I'm going to try that with this one. Cotton round on one side and apply how I normally would use, my toners on the other side of my face. I'm just going to rip this whole thing, shake it. Yeah, it's just like water. It's like I just applied water to my skin. I'm going to give it some time to dry. I really want to see if this is going to be tacky. Because if it's tacky, then, ooh, I would love it. It's not tacky, to be honest, it's not. Okay, so I have my cotton round here. So on this side will be with cotton round. I haven't done this in a long time. Sometimes feel like putting in the cotton round is wasting it. That's how I feel nowadays. So I'm going in with another one. Don't forget to focus around the side of your nose. So now moving on to how I would apply my toner. It's by using my palm. I feel like this is such a good method for me because my palm has everything and I just tap it in. This way I'm not necessarily swiping my face a lot, but with this one I'm like tapping in the product. Yes, my skin is going to be a lot more wet, but then it's going to still dry down, you get. And a little goes a long way, but I'm so extra, so I have to go in with another batch. Actually, with any toner you use, a little goes a long way. So you can definitely tell the difference between me using cotton pad and my palms, right? Here's a lot more wet, whereas here is dry. So I'm going to let this air dry. Then I'll come back to let you guys know what I think about it. So I'm back and here's what my face looks like. I'll come forward so you guys can get a closer view. On this side, I applied with my palms or my palm, whereas on this side, I applied with cotton rounds. You can definitely spot the difference between this side and this side. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me know in the comment section. So I would always recommend that you apply your toners with your palms. It's just a satisfying difference. You get to come in contact with your skin or your face more. I want to tap my face to see if it's sticky. I'll start with this side first. Not really. It's not dry either. Whereas this side, you definitely get more stickiness. But not the kind of stickiness I like. I want it to be more like how your hyaluronic acid will give you that feeling. So first impressions, this feels like water on the skin. Although when it dries down, it doesn't give you that water feeling. There's a bit of, nice bouncy feel that your face gets. So it's like telling you to prepare for the next step, which is, to apply serum or just going with your moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. But at night, just going with your serum and moisturizer. I'm just saying it's not giving me that tackiness, mainly because over the years I have been using lots of essence kind of toners, just those very thick toners, and Korean skincare has, really rubbed off on me because I use mostly toners by them as opposed to like US brands. The only toner that I was able to like jump on real quick were the Fenty ones, mainly because they had that essence or essence vibe, that thickness. But aside from that, Korean toners are what I would always recommend to people. It's a very nice beginner friendly toner, especially for the price and size. I definitely recommend it. If you want something that is lightweight on the skin, this is one you should, try out. What I would do with this is turning it into a bottle, not everything, just turn what I need to use, then rinse out the container. I'll just spray it on my face, right? If I can find a perfect pump that can fit in here, I'll definitely turn it into a mist because that's how I'd like it. But if not, I'll just use it that way. So this toner reminds me so much of this. They have about the same or similar ingredients, not the same. They have similar ingredients. You can really see that as usual. CeraVe pushes, the 3 ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. I have stopped. I think I told you guys already in my previous video. I told you guys that I have stopped, using, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, mainly because nowadays you can find it on any products. The only niacinamide that I am yet to let go is the Glow Recipe Dewdrop. I just really like how it feels, especially on that makeup. It's so great. So that's like the only niacinamide product that I own. Overall, this toner is not bad. I recommend it, especially if you're looking for like a basic routine. You can definitely get this. If you want something lightweight as well, you can definitely pick this up. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find it useful in any way, do let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you've tried this out, if you're going to purchase it, or your general thoughts. I'd love to hear from you guys. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Bye, and do stay blessed.